Hello guys, this is our Technotech, and today guys I'll tell you how to install the popular game Pokemon Go from Play Store itself. If you're downloading this Pokemon Go from any other site like APK file or anything like that, it causes many battery drain problems. So now I'll tell you how to download it. So firstly you have to install an app called Hot Shield. This free VPN Hot Shield Basic. You have to install it from here. So after installing, I'll just tell you what to do. Till that time, we'll have a small break. After the installation process is done, I'll just show. So now the installation process is done. Hotspot. Actually, I'm using the Android version 5.1. It is the lollipop version. So now I'll just go into the full step. So now let's open this hotspot shield. This is the first time and we'll just give notification data, just leave it and just click next. And just click on connect. We'll just check all the apps, right? Okay, just checking network, checking sites, and now we have been connected to server. Now you have to go to home and open Chrome. Yes, manage fingerprints inside. This is coolpad.li, guys. And now I have already opened it. Pokemon Go. So guys, this app will be available now. Just click on it and it will just tell installed. Actually this have been installed here, and just try. Now we'll be giving like this. So just here what I simply just giving add to wish list, that's all. So actually I do not click on this wish list. I've already added it here. My here. Actually I've already opened it. So my apps and game. And now this is the Pokemon Go. So actually I won't live in United States or like that. Actually I live in Hyderabad, which is the state in Telangana. I'll just show you guys. See, this is Hyderabad. I'll do one second, but you can just check out where is Hyderabad. And this is my current location. Yeah, this. Okay, guys. So you can just check it out. And now, here you just go here and just click install, accept. And now, the downloading process will start. Now I have installed a Pokemon Go app here, as you can see. So I'll just uninstall and update. So guys, like this you can install that with the help of Hotspot Shield. And in India it's banned, so we are playing through VPN. And also many other methods. I'll just tell you in the next session. Thank you guys for watching my video. Just like and subscribe.